Alright, here we got an old school E1 alarm panel. We're upgrading to the new Protect Plus with built-in Sentry Advisor. It's a remote monitoring system. So that panel is going to be removed, upgraded, trenching for all new pump cables. Here's our basin, standard duplex, 2 pumps. There's our new pump cables. Here's our wiring conduit fittings. And here's the Rolls Royce of Environment 1 alarm panels. Pretty cool stuff. It's the big body panel. There's our 2 pumps, brand new E1 Extremes. It's going in this house. And of course, they hire the best. Macho Contracting. I'll upload another video with an update.